Hi, it's me. Oh. Hi, it's ouch. Hold on. Hi, it's me, I'm Megan. Well, I just did my profile thingy. Go look at it. Maybe you want to subscribe. Yeah, I'm bored. Ha. Well, I'm gonna say my best friends, I guess. My number one would be Christy Rose Caparella. She has been there for me always. We have been friends for 2 years now. And I love her to death, and no one can take her away from me. Nope. She's my number one, and I'm her number one. My second would be Brianna Sass. We have never fought. Oh, me and Christy have never fought either. I love Brianna because I know I can always count on her and trust her. Same with Christy. My third would be Caitlin Mendoza. Caitlin Abby Stormy Mendoza. She is awesome. She's amazing. My fourth would be Kaylee Ray. She is amazing too, and I love her, and I can trust her mostly. Yep, I can trust her all the time. Yep. My fifth would be Maddie. Maddie Boots with the Fur. Yep, I love her too, and I can trust her too. That's about all my best friends. Yep. And also my big sister is my big sister is one of my heroes. My mom is too. I love them both very dearly. I'm so bored, as you can tell. This is mom pressing stuff. Well, I guess I'll talk to you later. Love you. Bye.